Life is good. With information at our fingertips and the freedom to access it, we are all connected. We take a lot for granted these days. Placing a video call to the in-laws from the top of Mount Washington, or Jack finishing his science project with the help of Wikipedia. Most of us overlook the dangers out there. Lurking deep within the shadows of the web, cyber criminals are developing thousands of malicious programs each and every day, intent on stealing our identities and stealing our money. For over a decade, we've been working hard at protecting the millions out there who don't take their personal security for granted. Hard at building a dependable web of security to protect our global customers and those they connect with.